Hello, I've got a question for you. An astronaut on the moon lifts a 5.5 kilogram object a vertical distance of 50 centimeters. Calculate the potential energy gained by the object. The gravitational field strength on the moon is 1.6 newtons per kilogram. Multiple choice, really easy. Let's guess. No, let's not guess. Okay, if you guess, you're going to get it wrong. Let's work it out. Okay, an astronaut on the moon lifts 5.5 kilograms. Okay, a vertical distance of 50 centimeters. I'm going to highlight what I've got here. I've got distance, I've got a thing in kilograms, potential energy. Okay, let's talk about energy. Gravitational field strength on the moon. There's quite a lot of information in there. Okay, so let's do the old QUENS song. Okay, QUENS, quantities, units, equation, numbers, solve it. What are the quantities? 5.5 kilograms. Okay, 5.5 on its own, useless. Kilograms, that's a bit more useful. What is measured in kilograms? Oh yeah, mass. Okay, vertical distance of 50 centimeters. A vertical distance, a distance upwards. Okay, that's height, isn't it? I'm going to call it h. 50 centimeters. Potential energy. Okay, E. That's what I've got to calculate. That's my unknown. Energy is measured in joules. And look at this, all the answers are in joules, so that confirms my thinking there. And there's one more thing down here, don't overlook this. Gravitational field strength, 1.6 newtons per kilogram. Those units are interesting. Newtons and kilogram. I've got kilograms. I haven't got anything with newtons in it yet. Okay, so let's think about that. But gravitational field strength, that's G, equals 1.6 newtons per kilogram. Remember, usually that's 10 newtons per kilogram, because normally we're on Earth, but today we're on the moon. Okay, that's quite cool. Let's just check my units. Kilograms. That is correct. Don't think it's grams. Okay, I know in chemistry we use grams all the time, and often in physics actually, if we're using the density of small objects, we might use grams because it's convenient. We've got kilograms, and kilograms is normally the correct unit for physics, and it's given here. If I've got newtons and kilograms over here, okay, I need to be consistent with my units throughout. So I want that to be in kilograms. That's absolutely fine. I've got kilograms here and here. There's some consistency going on. Centimeters though, I don't like. Okay, joules, that sounds very physicsy, so I think that's going to be good. Alright, so let's fix our units. The one I don't like, the height in 50 centimeters, so that's half a meter. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter, 50 is half of that. That's nice and easy. 0.5 meters. The astronaut on the moon is not likely to lift it further than that, so it kind of makes sense. Equation. Well, I need to go to the equation sheet, don't I? I've got M, I've got H, I've got E, I've got G. Let's have a look. There we go. I found it. Energy. Got that. M, yeah. G, yeah. H, good. Okay. If you can't remember the letters, you might have to use the words, but it takes longer, so it's worth learning what all these letters represent. That is a good bit of revision right there. You can go through the equation sheet and learn and practice using the correct letters that they're using. Okay, remember they're using X for extension and not E and things like that. You need to know what these letters all mean. Okay, so it's fine, you will find it if you keep looking. You've got gravitational force, mass, and gravity. It's harder to find these things, okay, if you don't know the letters. Learn the letters. Anyway, back to the question. Yes, quantities done. Converted my unit. Fantastic. Okay, my equation is E equals mgh. Thank you, Mr. Equation Sheet. Use it. Put my numbers in if I know them. I don't know E, so it's still E. It is not a question mark. You know what it is. It's energy. It's not a question mark. It's not an unknown thing. It's just an unknown value. M is mass, 5.5. Don't put 10 in there. If you're clever and you're in a hurry, you're going to go, yeah, G is 10, blah, blah, blah. No, you're going to get the wrong answer. it's 1.6. Put your converted value in, not the 50, otherwise you're going to get the wrong answer. And that makes it easier, it's half. Okay, so I could change those two numbers for 0.8 if I wanted to, but let's just tap it in and see what we get. Okay, I wonder if it would have been the guess that you would have guessed if you had to guess it. So 5.5, 1.6 and 0.5, okay, equals 4.4. Hopefully that's one of the options. Oh, well, A. Excellent. Put a capital letter in, don't put a little letter in because that's silly. Okay, the computer is going to be reading these and checking your workings, checking your multiple choice. The computer can only read capital letters. I wonder if, just out of curiosity, I would get the correct wrong answer if I put 10 in. 5.5 times 10 equals, and then times 0.5 equals 27.5. No, it's not an answer anyway, that's fine. But I'm just out of curiosity. I'm going to see what do we get if I do 1.6 times 5.5. Okay, yeah, that's an option. So just banging in numbers into your calculator and hoping for the best would get you the wrong answer if you did that. If you multiplied that by 50, you'd get 440. The examiner knows that some students are going to just randomly tap numbers into their calculator. They've actually done that, okay, and they've predicted, someone's going to say 8.8, haha, got them. Someone's going to say 440, haha, got them. Don't let them get you, okay? Don't fall for their little tricks. Examiners, they're naughty, okay? You have to work it out, okay? They're not daft. They're going to put in some options that make sense. If you just tap random numbers in, you're going to get one of the options that they've given you. Okay, they don't put random wrong answers in. They put answers in there. They're trying to trap you. They're trying to get you to choose a wrong answer. You have to work it out, which is why you need to have a methodical approach. Okay, multiple choice doesn't mean you don't have to work it out. You have to work it out. If you're one of those people that's just going to randomly tap numbers in and go, oh, I've got 8.8, it must be that one, and choose B, well, the examiner's laughing at you. Okay, he's caught you. Okay, it's a game. Play the game. Play the game well, you'll get the marks.